So Waves just released a new plugin called BB Tubes. If you've never used a saturator before, it pretty much has two purposes. One is distortion, so it adds a lot more crunchy, just distorted, noisy sound. And the other is to add like a nice full warmth to your vocals. A lot of times people cut out too much of the mids and lows in their vocals, and they end up feeling like they don't have enough presence. So I'm gonna show you how to use the plugin today. The link is gonna be in the description to pick this up. It's gonna be just below my DistroKid affiliate link because they are sponsoring today's video, but we'll talk about them in a bit. I just recorded this song the other day and I'm gonna show you how I used it in these vocals. It's pretty subtle, but if you have headphones on, you should notice a difference pretty much immediately.
I should make it clear what you should expect from me. It's a lot of waiting patiently. Gotta learn to control myself, but the anger still comes out. Sometimes I know I can't cry without your shoulder. I'll learn to fight alone.
So here's what the plugin looks like. There's two knobs. You got Beauty and Beast. If you crank up Beast, you're gonna get a lot more of that crazy crunch distorted sound. Beauty is a lot more subtle. It's for more of that punchy warmth that you want in your vocals. You basically just crank these up to however you want. You can adjust the sensitivity if you want, but I think leaving it at 0 dB is fine. There's also a bass relief knob here, which is really nice. If you have a really deep boomy voice, this is gonna help cut some of those lows out so they're not mudding with the beat. Then you have these tone knobs over here. These are gonna give a little bit of an extra boost in the high end. Then you of course have the wet and dry mix. I usually leave it at 100%. Then you have the output volume, of course, in case it starts making it really loud or really quiet. So really easy to use and adds a lot more fullness to your vocals. Let me know what you guys think about this plugin in the comments. I don't know when I'm gonna finish this song, but it will be soon because I need some more uploads. If you don't already have your music on things like Spotify, Apple Music, Deezer, make sure you use DistroKid, and I'm gonna leave a link in the description for you to sign up. It'll save you money on your first year, and they start at only $19.99 a year. And yes, I did mean to say a year. It's super affordable. You get unlimited uploads. You can become Twitch affiliate by being a member. You can get an official artist channel on YouTube. You can now upload your music videos to things like Vivo, Apple Music, and then they have their own platform coming out as well very soon, which is super cool. They have their own social media site called slaps.com where you can promote your music and many other things. I promise you they are fantastic. So make sure you sign up using my link in the description. It'll support me, it'll support you, and I would really appreciate it. But yeah, let me know what you guys think about this plugin in the comments down below if you do cop it. Anyways, guys, it's been your boy MMXVII, and I'm out. Peace.